Test, test, 1, 2, 1, 2. What's going on, team? It's Ricky with TechBud Solutions, and today we're going to be talking about Zoom stock, super oversold based off of the year chart. You can see that it was previously trading at highs of 588, and now it's currently at 195. It recently reported earnings, dropping over 10% after it reported earnings. But before we talk about Zoom, I do want to apologize. I was supposed to give away a mouse pad in yesterday's video, but I just forgot to do so. So let's go ahead and do it. Again, if you guys ever want to participate in these giveaways, I give away a mouse pad and or a flag in every single video. All you have to do is subscribe to the channel, drop a thumbs up on a new video, and comment down below, subscribe to participate in tomorrow's giveaway. So again, if you end up winning this giveaway because you participated in the other giveaway, all you have to do is message me on Instagram the mouse pad that you specifically want that we offer at shoptechbuds.com. So let's go ahead and make this super easy. Let's go ahead and pick the giveaway winner. Here we go, and Andy Ford. So here we go. You got subbed, make your own luck. Oh, you made it too easy for me. Okay, so Andy, if you can go ahead and make sure you message me on Instagram, that would be really appreciated. And I'll go ahead and make sure that we send you on over the Make Your Own Luck mouse pad, which, if I'm not mistaken, is in stock. Here we go. So make your own luck. I like that. Let's go ahead and get into today's video. So Zoom had a huge drop due to reporting earnings, huge pullback. Now, one of the things that we want to talk about is it is showing signs of a potential support, but there is no question that Zoom stock has been bearish. It's been making lower highs and lower lows. And it's super important to understand that because the moving average has been descending. It's not showing signs of a consistent uptrend. So one of two things. Although Zoom does offer the potential to return to previous highs at 588. More realistically, the more common resistance level is the moving average. So from where we're at right now to the moving average, that alone is 56% ROI. That means potential for recovery based off of previous resistance levels. You can see that the last time it sold off, it recovered and it got rejected by that moving average. So I'm viewing the moving average to be, again, a previous, which potential new resistance level. But based off of previous highs at 588, that would be a little bit over 180% ROI if Zoom were to make a full recovery. Now, Zoom, of course, peaked during the pandemic condition. Do I expect the demand levels to be at that same type of, number? No, not necessarily. But can I see Zoom making a steady recovery once it establishes a support level? Yes, I do. And that's why I think it's a stock worth adding to your watch list, not necessarily a stock worth buying maybe right now, as it's still, a little bit more on the bearish side, especially if you're someone that's a little bit more conservative and only likes to invest or trade in stocks that are bullish. Zoom would definitely not meet your criteria. But if you're someone that's a day trader or a short-term swing trader, then this might be something more up your alley, as it recently sold off and it offers some potential to find a support here and then recover to the moving average, which within that alone is more realistic, 25% ROI. But even if you capture, 15% of that, 20% of that 25%, again, giving yourself some margin of error, I find it to be a very realistic stock to be able to trade once that direction begins to be in our favor. But one stock that I did want to talk about that's currently indicating signs of an uptrend is UPST. So this is Upstart. Recent pullback, and it sold off for quite some time. Just like we always say, oversold doesn't mean that it has to recover right away. But Upstart finally began to find its support level. It's now testing the EMA line for a potential reversal, and things are looking pretty good, especially on the day chart. You can see that the moving average used to act as a support level, and from where we're at right now to previous highs, that offers a little bit over 90% ROI, if I'm not mistaken. So again, a lot of margin for potential recovery. It doesn't mean that you need to rush into it. It doesn't mean that you need to buy today or buy tomorrow or buy next week. Take this at your own pace. If you like the setup add it to your watch list, set effective alerts, and follow up with it when it makes sense to you, when the direction is in your favor. Upstart has so much to prove. It has so much margin to work with. Why rush into it? At least that's what we like to encourage our Learn Plan Profit members to do, to take it easy and to keep it simple. Allow the opportunity to really present itself. Also, we did want to invite you whenever you're ready to join our Learn Plan Profit group. We are running a early Black Friday special, and we have 5 available spots for $100 off on the all-new Learn Plan Profit 2.0. So if you're ready to join our team and watch me trade live, I would say as soon as tomorrow, but tomorrow the market is closed due to observance of course, Thanksgiving. But as soon as Friday and every single morning after that, the market's open. If you're ready to join our team, we have $100 off Learn Plan Profit 2.0, and that is the first link in the description. We have 5 open spots. Make sure if you want to participate in tomorrow's giveaway, you subscribe to the channel, you drop a thumbs up, and comment down below subscribed. If you guys feel like I should pay attention to any stock that you're watching right now, make sure you comment that stock down below. We really do appreciate you guys' time. Hope and wish you guys an amazing rest of your day. And like always, let's make sure that we end the year on a green note. Take it easy, team.